get the help from all possible directions, not from me only. Anyway, so I have to inform you regarding the test. Quiz test on Saturday, 20th November. The portion for the test is up to entropy calculation. Okay? B5. Harshit, are you added in the B5 chemistry group?
No, ma'am.
Here is the link. You just click on it and join. Okay? So similarly, you just talk to every class teacher so that they will give you the link and you can join with them. Okay?
I have sent a message to English teacher, but she has not responded till.
Then when you are sending the message, just write an email and send to me. I'll talk to her. Or maybe she is in leave. I think she is in leave. She has gone for her wedding or something. I heard actually exactly. I do not know the information.
Yes, ma'am. She is in leave.
है ना? वो leave में है ना ऋषभ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, वो leave में है तो आपका कैसे सुने? जो नेक्स्ट जो भी टीचर ले रहे हैं क्लास, जो एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं क्लास, वो उनसे वो कर लेंगे. आप अपना will the exam be conducted using Google Form? No सुरचिता.
मैम वाइवा होगा?
नहीं, आपका पूरे टेस्ट ही होगा.
मैम लाइव
मतलब एग्जाम से पहले आपको कुछ लाइक मॉक टेस्ट भी होगा तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कैसे करना है.
मैम क्विज कैसे लिया जाएगा?
कोई अच्छा ये गूगल फॉर्म में होगा.
हाँ भाई क्विज का बात कर रहे हैं मैम.
अब मुझे लगा कि
मैम जो आप
के बारे में
मैम क्विज ही बोल रहे थे.
मैम क्विज ही बोल रहे थे मैम, जो आप भेजे हैं व्हाट्सएप पे.
नहीं क्विज आपका लिंक जाएगा, व्हाट्सएप में भी जाएगा और गूगल क्लासरूम में भी जाएगा. उसी में आप सब शायद 20 या 30 मिनट्स का टाइम रहेगा, उसी में सॉल्व करेंगे. ओ मतलब एमसीक्यू है.
कितना क्वेश्चन होगा
मैम? इसके मार्क्स रहेंगे?
हाँ मार्क्स भी आपको पता चलेगा. मैं सब में आपको शेयर कर दूंगी मार्क्स.
मैम हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस?
मैम
How many questions? It depends. Maybe 10 to 15 questions will be there.
Okay.
Not much.
मैम
So this Friday is a holiday in your holiday list. Is it included?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So this Saturday is a working day or not?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am, working day.
Yes, ma'am.
Working day. Which day timetable? Friday.
मैम Monday timetable.
Monday timetable.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
है क्या मेरे को जो मिला है क्या?
नो मैम फ्राइडे.
फ्राइडे का टाइम टेबल.
फ्राइडे?
यस.
हाँ मैम, फ्राइडे का टाइम टेबल है. सैटरडे को
फ्राइडे का.
November 20 is Friday timetable. Or November 27 is Monday timetable. Anyway, so regarding your quiz test, be ready for that up to the entropy calculation.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ashutosh.
मैम आई वाज आस्किंग कि अगर जो क्विज टेस्ट होगा उसमें कोई बच्चा अगर प्रेजेंट नहीं हो पाया, दे नहीं पाया तो मैम?
नहीं हो पाया तो आपका तो सारे क्विज में आप एब्सेंट नहीं रहोगे ना?
नहीं मैम, सारे नहीं.
हाँ तो जितना भी क्विज लेंगे उसी में जो क्विज में आप प्रेजेंट रहोगे उसी क्विज का मार्क्स मतलब बेस्ट जो 3 या 4 जो भी क्विज है.
यस मैम.
ना डिसाइड होगा 3 या 4 जो भी क्विज है उससे ऐड होगा. उसी में जो
मैम कितना मार्क्स का रहेगा?
क्विज में भी 20 मार्क्स, क्योंकि आपका 20 है, ये है 20 मार्क्स आपका मेडिसिन का है.
यस मैम. मैम तो इसका मैम आंसर में ऐड होगा कि मतलब?
हाँ आंसर एक्चुअली आपको अभी तक भी नहीं समझ में आया क्या मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में कितना बार बोली हूँ? रुको एक मिनट।
मैम सारा एमसीक्यू होगा?
नहीं होगा एमसीक्यू, मतलब क्विज में एमसीक्यू होगा, लेकिन मिड सेम का एमसीक्यू नहीं होगा। मिड सेम में एमसीक्यू नहीं होगा।
मैम 20 मार्क्स का तो एमसीक्यू होगा ना मिड सेमेस्टर में?
नहीं, 20 मार्क्स का नहीं होगा एमसीक्यू। एक व्हाइट बोर्ड इज लोडिंग है। एमसीक्यू नहीं होगा उसमें, आपका शायद एक लॉन्ग टाइप होगा और 10 मार्क का एमसीक्यू होगा। जो लॉन्ग टाइप है आप लिख के अपलोड करोगे पीडीएफ बना के, जैसे आप कर रहे हो ना आपका लैब का एक्सपेरिमेंट का, इन द सेम वे यू विल डू। मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ।
ओके मैम।
मैम उसमें टाइम लिमिट है कि कैसा रहेगा?
टाइम एक स्टूडेंट जितना टाइम में कर पाएगा उतना टाइम, मतलब जेनरसली टाइम दिया जा रहा है। ऐसा टाइम नहीं देंगे कि आप नहीं कर पाओगे, नहीं तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि आप ढूंढ के बुक से लिखोगे तो पता नहीं चलेगा, वो भी चलेगा।
Ma'am, we received an email from the admission center and various type of information was being asked there. And then in the WhatsApp, a message is also being circulated that such email has been received from the admission center. Please don't fill up that form. So I just wanted to clear up with you.
No, actually, if it is not admission cell, just send me that email, okay? And I'll check the authenticity. Who is your mentor, Saini?
Ma'am, you.
Okay, then you send to me. Then I'll check, and I'll also confirm with the person who is sending. Then if it is authentic, then I'll tell you that you fill it up. Otherwise, don't, just ignore.
Okay,
because sometimes some students are doing all these things.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
It's better to avoid. So if it is authentic, then you will definitely do it. I don't know what is okay. Now it is uploaded. So when it is just wait, just send to me. If anything you are doubting, then just send to me, and at that time stop present. I think whiteboard is visible now.
Ma'am, you have stopped screen sharing.
No, I have not stopped.
Now, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
It is visible, ma'am. It is visible.
Actually, it's taking time for loading. I don't know why. Since it is upgraded, it is taking time.
Ma'am, ma'am, you use OneNote, Microsoft OneNote.
Actually, I am using the same one because at the end I am trying to make it a image or PDF file so that I'll send in your groups. If anyone can refer that, for that purpose only I am writing in one. Otherwise, we can every time we can change a new one, but continuation won't be there. Do you understand my point? I am doing. It is one kind of notes type you can refer. That's why I'm writing in one. But I don't know. If every time it will show problem, then it is. So first of all, you just understand the mark distribution. It is of 100 marks. What happened? It's really showing some problem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I've shared that Gmail. When you will get time, just check it and confirm.
What?
Ma'am, that Gmail one, that mail.
Gmail?
And that mail.
Actually, if it is, it
I
has.
shared on WhatsApp.
You have sent me in the WhatsApp.
No.
Just a minute. Aryan Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. And that same mail has been sent to us.
Admission 6. No, this is wrong one. The admission department email ID is, just a minute. Let me confirm. No, it is wrong. It is wrong. No, somebody is correct.
Ma'am, but I submitted my forms.
Why you have submitted? They are getting your information and they may do something different things.
I don't know that.
See, admission department email ID is not admission 6. Okay. See, I think my screen is shared with all of you, or only WhatsApp is sharing whiteboard.
Ma'am, only whiteboard is.
No, I'm total whole screen I'm sharing. Just check it. See, the admission cell email ID is this one. admission@kiit.ac.in. And what you have sent now, right? See this one, admission 6. Admission 6, it is written. It is written admission 6. Just check it.
Admission 4 भी official mail था, admission 2 भी, admission 3 भी.
हाँ, ये सब wrong email ID. देखो, जो ओरिजिनल है वो है एडमिशन. देखो, एडमिशन only admission@kiit.ac.in. and there only we are getting the information. See, for that Harshit Narayan, I have sent that email ID to this admission department. Okay, so
मैम एडमिशन 7 से आया है.
यस मैम, मेरा भी
एडमिशन 7 से आया मैम मेल. सबका अलग
अभी रिप्लाई में उसको झाड़ दे रहे हैं मैम. कुछ ऑफिशियल नहीं है.
अच्छा से दो लेकिन
ऑफिशियल नहीं है मैम.
नहीं है, कैसे होगा?
ऑफिशियल नहीं है, झाड़ दे.
रुक 1 मिनट
मैम, टाइम बर्बाद.
मैम एक बार चेक कर लीजिए मैम, क्योंकि फिर अगर झाड़ दिया उसका दिक्कत हो जाएगा मैम. बात ये है.
हाँ सही में मैम, एक बार चेक कर लीजिए.
एक मिनट
फॉर्मेट डोज देने के बाद
आया मेरे को भी.
ये बच्चे लोग बहुत चिल्लाते हैं. See, sir, this is authentic. Somebody has sent. See, admission department. Okay.
Yes ma'am, this is authentic because at the time of admission, मेरे को मैम आया था admission पे.
And all the students should fill up form. This says admission 8. Is this authentic? Admission has several emails. This is one of those. Okay. Yes, all these emails are authentic. I have confirmed from the admission cell. Okay then. Okay. ठीक है, बच गए. ओ
मैम अभी झाड़ दे तो हो जाता.
ऑथेंटिक है मैम.
मैम मैसेज लिख दिए थे मैम. ठीक है, मैं झाड़ने वाला.
और झाड़ो मत अभी. देखो ना ये. Yes, all these emails are authentic. I have confirmed from the admission cell. Yes, these are all true. Confirmed from the admission cell.
मैम ऐसे मत करिए मैम. अभी जस्ट बहुत कुछ हो रहा था मैम. बहुत कुछ हो रहा था.
दंगा हो जाता है.
मेल कर दिया मैम झाड़ के. हम लोग पीडीएफ बना रहे थे.
झाड़ पड़ रहे थे.
अच्छा, एक चीज मुझे
समझ नहीं आता ये
फिल करना है कि नहीं मैम?
आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
अच्छा कार्तिक, आप 1 मिनट में झाड़ दोगे, लेकिन 1 मिनट में पढ़ाई नहीं करते हो.
मैम फिल करना है कि नहीं फॉर्म?
इंस्टेंट नहीं करते हो. ये सब इंस्टेंट रिएक्शन बंद करो अभी. बड़े हो गए हो आप, अडल्ट हो.
मैम फॉर्म
फिल करना है कि नहीं फॉर्म?
यस, करो अभी.
मैम
ये देखो ना, ये पूरा हम लोग का जो एक ग्रुप है, ये जो मेन 2021 ट्यूटर मेंटर ग्रुप, इसमें वो लोग लिखा है कि this form is authentic and all the students should fill up this form. तो देखिए ना, I have confirmed from the admission cell. She told that they have confirmed from the admission cell that they have some different email IDs. They says admission 8. Is this authentic? Yes. तो फिर आप लोग इसी में फिल अप कर सकते हो.
एडमिशन डिपार्टमेंट ने कॉल किया था तो उन्होंने बोला था एडमिशन 4 में अपना मार्कशीट अपलोड करने के लिए. तो एडमिशन 4 भी उनका ऑफिशियल है.
हाँ उनका वो लिखा है अभी डिफरेंट ईमेल आईडीज. तो आप एक चीज करो, इसी में फिल अप करो. और से अभी कमिंग टू द पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन हम लोग का जो था, जस्ट ए मिनट. तो हम लोग का था कि हम लोग का 100 मार्क्स का है. ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे, क्यों, व्हाई इट इज नॉट वर्किंग टुडे?
मैम न्यू कर दीजिए.
हाँ न्यू कर देती हूँ. आप लोग को हेल्प नहीं होगा लेकिन कुछ मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ.
मैम कल सर बोल रहे थे इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम में कि क्रिसमस के बाद ओपन होगा.
क्या होगा?
ओपन होगा मैम यूनिवर्सिटी.
कब से?
क्रिसमस बाद.
क्रिसमस हॉलीडेज
फाउंडर सर बोले मैम.
क्रिसमस हॉलीडे कब से हो रहा है आपका?
मैम 25 से होगा ना?
डोंट नो मैम.
25 से होगा ना?
यस मैम.
गुड फ्राइडे से ना?
यस मैम.
यस मैम. मैम जनवरी में खोलेगा शायद, हमको लग रहा है.
मुझे भी लगा.
मैम एक मेल आया है जिसमें 10 जनवरी डेट दिया हुआ है. उसमें भी यही लिखा हुआ था जो कि मतलब क्रिसमस वैकेशन के बाद आप लोगों को आना है.
वो इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है.
आई मीन शॉर्ट जनवरी में होगा.
नील तुम मत आ. नील तो रह जाओ वहीं पे, घर पे रहो.
ये 20 मेडिसिन प्लस 30 जो है ना, इससे 30 से जो क्विज से मार्क मिलेगा उसी का 20 हम लोग कंट्रीब्यूशन लेंगे और 10 मार्क्स असाइनमेंट. ठीक है, हो गया अभी.
What about the practicals?
Practical another 100 marks. This is theory. Another 100 marks practical. ठीक है अभी.
अच्छा मैम, हमारा प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम क्या ऑनलाइन होगा इस फर्स्ट सेम का?
रूम भीतर उड़े जा रहे. हाँ यस टेल मी.
ये फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन क्या ऑनलाइन में ही होगा? कॉलेज अगर नहीं खुला तो?
नहीं खुलेगा तो ऑनलाइन होगा, खुलेगा तो ऑफलाइन होगा.
Ma'am, so for the practical, we have to write the practical down and then send it.
हाँ यस.
मैम मिड सेमेस्टर के एग्जाम में थ्योरी पोर्शन जो प्रैक्टिकल का उससे भी क्वेश्चन रहेगा.
हाँ नहीं प्रैक्टिकल से नहीं होगा, ओनली थ्योरी पार्ट से.
मैम एक बार फिर दिखाई तो मैम ऊपर जा सकती कीजिए तो. 50 and some 20 minutes and 30 quiz 20 10 assignment attendance.
मैम प्रैक्टिकल कब होगा?
प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम
यस मैम.
जब सारे प्रैक्टिकल खत्म होगा उसके बाद ही. when we complete all the experiments all.
मैम कॉलेज कब खुलेगा?
तो क्या सो रहा था तब से? हैं? जब मुंह धो क्या?
Ma'am, in this form, the last page has a topic entrance name 1. यहाँ पे क्या डाला है?
क्या लिखा है?
Entrance name 1 और उसके बाद है rank. ये कौन सा रैंक और कौन सा entrance name I don't understand.
किट रैंक.
कौन सा आंसर और कौन सा रैंक?
Yes ma'am. Entrance name 1. यहाँ पे क्या डालना है?
दिखाओ, थोड़ा शेयर करो, स्क्रीनशॉट लेके दिखाओ।
Just a second.
एंट्रेंस नेम 1, जो आपने क्या एंट्रेंस के थ्रू किट में आए हो? आपने जेई या केटी के थ्रू आए हो?
मैम कीटी के थ्रू।
तो देन यू राइट केटी।
Okay, and that's
मैम
right.
लेकिन कीटी में तो हमको रैंक नहीं दिया, हम
नहीं मैम रैंक किया था, रैंक दिया सबको रैंक दिया।
हाँ, तो केटी का रैंक में वही लिखना, जो अगर जेई में आए हो तो जेई के थ्रू आए हो तो जेई का रैंक लिखना वही है, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So let us discuss our topic. I think everything is clarified now because my students are much more interested for their offline classes rather than they are concentrating on the topic what I'm teaching.
Obviously, ma'am.
Obviously, my God. Okay, so as you know that before midsem we have to complete the first chapter, and up to entropy calculation I think everybody should get 10 out of 10. If anyone I'll find that is securing less than 10, then I'll see. Okay?
Full marks 10 है?
हाँ. Except Harshit, because Harshit is a new student. So everybody should get 10 out of 10.
Which one, ma'am?
Ma'am,
So today we'll discuss partial molar properties. You know thermodynamic parameters such as U, you know, internal energy, H is your enthalpy, G is your free energy, are extensive properties. Do you know what is extensive and intensive properties? Because okay, so thermodynamic properties like internal energy, enthalpy, free energy, these are extensive properties because their values change with the change in mass. But in all thermodynamic function or derivation, whatever we have done till now, we have assumed that these parameters U, G and H, they are not dependent on the mass, rather than they are only depend on the change in temperature and pressure. Okay, so because we are just considering these are in the closed system, but in an open system, just for example, let X is an extensive property. So X will be a function of temperature, pressure, and the number of moles N1, N2, Ni. Okay, so here let us assume that N is equal to N1 plus N2 plus N3 up to Ni. That is the total number of moles. So dx is equal to del x by del t constant pressure, constant del p temperature constant and number of moles constant plus first one is N1, so P, T, so after N1, N2, so it is up to Ni. So this term plus del x by del Ni, temperature constant, pressure also constant, here dT, sorry dNi, N1, N2 up to Ni minus 1. So this is the term which you can write Xi bar. So this can also be written as partial molar property okay. Similarly, Ui bar is equal to del U by del Ni dNi, and here it is at constant pressure, temperature N1, N2 up to Ni minus 1. Similarly, Hi is equal to del H by del Ni so this is the partial molar property of G, which is also known as chemical.
That is GI.
GI. This is also called chemical potential.
मैम थोड़ा सा ऊपर
मैम जरा जूम कीजिए ना, थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके।
नीचे करिए जरा सा।
ओके,
थोड़ा सा और। यस।
Is it okay? Completed for everyone or any doubt until now?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt until now? Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is my screen? Okay, then once I'll look at the screen, like the board, then I'm not able to check what you are doing. If anybody is writing anything, I'm not able to see. Anyway, so next is Gibbs Thuhem equation.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that partial molar properties, where to use that?
So this is the property, means like when you are talking about free energy change, we are here, it is in the open system, we are considering pressure, temperature and change in the number of moles. So in case of free energy change, it is the partial molar property of free energy, that is G, that is also called chemical potential. So free means till now the derivation whatever we have done, we have only considered the pressure and temperature. We have not considered the number of moles, but we should consider because it is an extensive property. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So here, what is the significance you were asking, isn't it?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
physical significance. The physical significance of chemical potential of a compound is its measure of its ability to bring a physical or chemical change. If it is a low potential, then it has a low ability to drive a reaction forward. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मैम वो क्या है मैम? गिब्स?
Duhem.
दुहेम?
D-U-H-E-M.
ओके मैम.
D-U-H-E-M. So this chemical potential can be denoted as mu I.
Ma'am, what is written? Are there partial?
Molar gives energies.
Okay.
मैम थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दीजिए.
वाह.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the last portion of this chapter, significance of the chemical potential. A substance with low chemical potential What question you may get on this?
Ma'am, what is the written has low ability?
Ability to drive in reaction forward.
Okay, ma'am.
So in an open
Ma'am, composition are changed.
are changed infinitesimally. If there is a small change in the composition, then dg is equal to mu a dna, mu b dnb, then na d mu a, nb d mu b.
Ma'am, can you repeat that? Infinite.
Simally.
Okay.
Like there is a small change.
Okay.
Very small change. I think in thermodynamics, actually, you people are suffering a lot in the last 2 years. In Corona, your 11th and 12th is completed, so you have not studied properly, but you should study, isn't it? VDP. What happened to the coaching center? How the people who went quota and all? So how you have managed in the coaching center? Was it like going regularly or not?
It was from home.
Oh, then the same thing, no? So it cannot be compared with the classroom teaching. So the students are not getting the proper way. Anyway, so I'm trying to write each and every term so that whenever you will feel that you have any doubt, you can talk to me directly. So in an open system, then we know dg is equal to bdp and minus sdt. But like in closed system, we were just discussing this much only. We are just taking into consideration. But here we are taking the consideration the number of change in moles because we are talking about in an open system. So at constant temperature and pressure, we can write dg is equal to mu a dna, because this term will be like removed dnb. So now, so here it is dg is equal to, this is 1 and this is 2. So up to this, you just check. If you have any doubt, you can just discuss with me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the mid semester, you are talking about that long session.
Let us complete this one, then we'll discuss.
Okay,
Will
ma'am.
it be okay? Because
Okay.
otherwise I'll just lose my flow.
Okay, ma'am.
No, it is better we'll complete because I'm here only. Then again also tomorrow you have a class. No, tomorrow you will not have any class.
Okay.
Is it important to discuss right now?
No, ma'am. No, fine.
Fine, okay then. So the course, whatever will complete till mid-sem, that will come in your examination. That you just that way you just prepare. Whatever I'm teaching in the class, that is your syllabus. Okay. So because we people are responsible for the preparation of the question, setting the question. Okay. So like me, other faculty members are there. So we will decide together that what will be the question, because we have to check once whatever the syllabus completed for each and every sections. Accordingly we have to decide. Okay, so if in my section it may be completed, but in other sections, the new sections, if it is not completed, then it cannot be the syllabus for the medicine. So there should be means like what is that, means equal. Every the portion which is taught in all the sections, that will be your syllabus for medicine. Do you understand now?
Yes, ma'am. But my question was in that long answer.
Yes.
We'll get both derivation and numerical, or we'll get only numerical.
You will get numerical. Sometimes you will get a small derivation, means like not exactly what I'm deriving right now, because what I'm deriving, that is to solve the numericals. Because if you will not get the final equation, then how can you use directly in the numerical? You should know where from has come. Okay, that way I'm just deriving all the steps. But you may get something in a different way. Means like it is definitely from the syllabus from what I'm teaching, but in a different way of asking, they may ask the question. Okay.
Okay.
Like just for example, let it be Gibbs-Helmholtz equation and related to Gibbs-Helmholtz equation one numerical.
Yes, ma'am.
Or application of Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, how to use in the electrochemical reactions, like free energy change, enthalpy, entropy, how you will define by using that equation. Okay.
Okay, yes.
Or even if some tricky question like how chemical potential will decide whether your reaction will go forward or not. Okay, so that type of, even if sometimes you will get some graphs, and based on the graph you will think of whether the reaction is going forward or not. Because in the online examination, some of the students are cheating. So that way the pattern will be different.
Ma'am, will there be questions in the long type on theoretical part or theory?
Long type is theoretical and short type is MCQ.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Don't worry for that, because I will check your answers. But you have to be very much careful during the short type question answer, because that marks immediately you will get the answer. That answers you will get immediately the marks, and that cannot be changed. But in theory part, I'll check and manually it will be graded. Okay. Okay then. Another 3 minutes. I think I may not complete. Anyway, I'll try, because I have to take your attendance. How many students are present today? I'm just checking.
75, ma'am.
75. 80, no? 81.
80. मैम दो तो आप ही का है ना?
81, yes, ma'am, 81. 81.
Because including me, it is 82.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check the attendance. many students are there actually? Who is absent? Seven 66. Be quick. Within 2 minutes we have to complete. 66.
Yes, ma'am.
67.
Yes, ma'am.
68.
Present, ma'am.
69.
Present, ma'am.
70.
Present, ma'am.
71, 72.
Present, ma'am.
Which one? 71 or
71.
Okay, then both present. 73, 74.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
75, 76.
Present,
Present, ma'am.
77, 78.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
79, 80.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
81, 82.
Present, ma'am.
Both are one.
Ma'am, 81, 781, ma'am.
Then 82 absent. 83, 84.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
85.
Present, ma'am.
86, 87.
Present, ma'am.
So both are present. 88, 89.
Present,
Present, ma'am.
90, 91.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
92, 93.
Present, ma'am. 92.
Then 93 absent. 94, 95.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
96, 97.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
98, 99.
Present, ma'am. 99 present, ma'am.
98, 800.
Present, ma'am.
1, 2, 801, 802.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
803.
Present, ma'am.
4, 5.
Present, ma'am.
6, 7.
Present, ma'am.
8, 9.
Present, ma'am.
10, 11.
Present, ma'am.
12, 13.
Present, ma'am.
Which one? 12 or 13?
12.
13 present. 13 present.
Okay, okay. 14, 15.
Present, ma'am.
Which one? 14 or
14 present. 14 present, ma'am.
Okay, both. 16, 17.
Present, ma'am.
16 present, ma'am.
17 present.
18, 19.
18 present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
18.
20, 21.
Present, ma'am. 20.
21. 22, 23.
Present, ma'am.
22 present, ma'am.
23. Okay.
Present, ma'am. 23.
24, 25.
24 present, ma'am.
25 present.
Yes, ma'am.
26, 27.
Present, ma'am. 26.
28, 29.
Present, ma'am.
30, present, ma'am. Okay, 30, 31.
Present, ma'am. 30.
31 present.
32, 33, quick. 32, 33.
Ma'am, present, 33.
34, 35.
Present, ma'am.
35, 36.
Present, ma'am. 36.
35 absent. 38, 39.
Present, ma'am. 38.
Present, ma'am. 39.
40, 41.
Present, ma'am. 40.
Surajita present. So 41. Okay, 42, 43.
Present, ma'am. 42.
43.
Present, ma'am.
44. 45.
Present, ma'am.
46.
Present, ma'am.
47.
Present, ma'am.
48.
Present, ma'am.
49, 50.
Present, ma'am. 50.
49. Okay. You people leave the class and join your next class.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
782, ma'am, present. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, 782.
I'm in one class. I have removed.